My video guide is about getting rid of the fake alerts that are coming from the site ywawje.com. Definitely, if you try to analyze this website and its name, it doesn't make any sense at all. The website is dangerous. It displays misleading pop-ups that attempt to encourage the visitors into clicking on the Allow button. However, to click on the Allow button is surely a mistake. The website in this particular case indicates that people need to click on Allow to watch the video. In reality, clicking on Allow button may immediately hijack the browser with multiple ads. You may be brought to certain other deceptive sites that may also display pretty filthy alerts. On top of that, you may start receiving the great portion of junk advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your computer screen. To deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Now research the websites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this malicious site, you should click on this button and remove it from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise that you scan it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start researching your device to delete other threats that could possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.